Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
360, 5 days on the wall. Live each day like my last. Green like paper over plastic. Wrap my head around, the whole world is a blast. If you open up to magic, I just wanna tell you.
Today I thought it'd be a great day to start the vlogging process because my best friend, who is from Ottawa but was actually in Ireland for a year, she was living there. She came back after the pandemic and then she's actually going to be visiting Toronto today, and I'm so excited because when I tell you she's my best friend, I mean like we're the same person, so I am so pumped. We have a really fun day planned. We are going to head to the beach and have a little picnic later on this evening, but I'm going to take her to my favorite bubble tea place, and then we're gonna hit Metro because we have a couple things to grab. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. It's Sunday, it's really nice and sunny. I hope your day is going well. Let me guys know how your Sunday was or how your day is today whenever you're watching this, because I'd love to know in the comments. But yeah, just follow me along. Today is my first time vlogging, so I may not be that great at it, but I really hope that you guys stick around for the learning process because it's gonna be pretty fun. So I just thought I'd show you guys how I do my iced coffee in the morning. I switch it up a lot between coffee, matcha, and tea. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, I'll admit, but I do like a coffee occasionally, and in the summer I prefer iced coffee, so I'll just show you guys how I do that. It's pretty simple, it's nothing special. But I've already made my coffee and let it sit so it's not like super hot and doesn't melt all my ice and it's not super watery. So then I will just get all of my ice. I don't know why, but my ice cubes recently have been like shards. I don't know what I've done. If someone could tell me how you can pick up ice, that'd be great, because I am thoroughly confused on how I have managed to break my ice. Coffee or ice. And then I don't like my iced coffee like super sweet. I am not like a huge sweet coffee person. I would rather drink black coffee. So I just add like the tiniest bit of creamer. And then I really like cold foam. So I found this whipped foam topping. It's by Skinny Syrups. I think it's calorie free and that's why, but it's salted caramel and I got it from Home Sense. I just saw it and I was like, ooh, this looks nice. So I just like add a little bit of that to the top just to get a little fancy, you know? I just keep that cold just because I think you can keep it out of the fridge, but it isn't as good. And then that is my iced coffee. Yeah, it's like I said, pretty simple, but I just really like it, you know? I think I might go on the balcony for a minute or two because it looks like it might be nice out. Excuse my kitchen. Yeah, it's really nice out. I'm just waiting for Kelsie to come, and then we're going to go to Metro, I think, but should be fun. How are you guys doing? I feel like quarantine is in like stage 2 in Toronto. I'm not sure what it is everywhere else. I know we're all in like varying stages, but I feel like we're almost out of the scary stuff, you know? We'll see. Anyway, I'm just gonna go watch some vlogs because Sophia and Chinzia, I don't really know how to pronounce it, to be honest. They came out with a new vlog, and so did Emma Legere. So I'm gonna go watch those and wait for Kelsie, and I'll check with you guys again when she's here. Hi guys, we have our masks on as if this is the life today, you know? But it is just gorgeous out. Like, look at this sun. I feel like this being outside makes me realize that I'm not ugly. Because I always just feel so disgusting when I'm inside, you know? But this is just so nice. We're just on a walk to my bubble tea place. They're my favorite place because they literally know my name and they follow me on Instagram. But they're so cute. It's called Sweet Shady Shack if you guys want to check it out. They're in Toronto by Yonge and Eglinton, and one of the reasons I like them is that they have like a lot cheaper bubble tea, like $1 cheaper than everywhere else. They kind of like pride themselves on their affordability, and they really don't chimp. Like, they put real fruit in their bubble tea, and it's just chef's kiss, you know?
So
yeah, I think I'm gonna order the strawberry mousse one for you and then the taro one for me. All right, we're staying to our bubble tea place. Are they closed?
I think so.
Okay, saddest thing ever. Of course, the day she comes, it's closed. Like, they're literally not open. What? So now I can't bring her to my favorite bubble tea spot until she comes to visit again. Sad.
Another day this week, we'll come back.
Yeah, okay, we'll go to Metro and Winners then now, okay? For today's content, so hopefully I can find that. I'm gonna look in the men's section. It is a white shirt. What does one do?
I feel like that's like kind of the vibe you're going for now.
Yeah, it's a large too. I feel like that could work.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. I just had this idea to put it under a bikini and then just like have a nice like beach, you know, vibe. Why are there more shirts?
There's so many.
I don't know. To be honest, I feel like I might just go with this one. It's more, but it's 24, but it's just like
nice.
better. All right, change of plans. I saw this one on the way out, and it just looks like more plain and better for what I'm going for, so I'm gonna grab this one instead. All right, I have my shirt, heading to the checkout now. Thank you, have a great day. Cha-ching. All right, we just got out of Winners, and I think we're gonna go and try and find a Starbucks. Oh wait, there's chat time too. We can go to chat time and get bubble tea.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Sure.
Okay, let's do that. Chat time is this way, so let's go. Wow, look at these clouds.
Oh my god, that looks like fake.
Beautiful. Stunning, queen. All right, we'll check back in with you at chat time. Back at my place. I'm just gonna like get ready for the beach. So I feel like going outside for 20 minutes turned me into a sweaty bucket. And I'm just gonna like get ready. I'm gonna change my outfit because I'm trying to get like some content today. I just have like this white shirt, and then I think I'm gonna wear like this lilac bikini underneath. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just switched into this like the top I just got at Winners, and then this really beautiful lilac bikini from the Cheeky Bikini. I really love them. I know the woman who makes them personally, and they are all handcrafted in Canada, and they're really made to flatter like a more plus size look. The butt is like a lot more higher up, so it flatters your bum a lot more and gives you just like a really nice like flattering body shape. And I just love them. I have like one in almost every color, and yeah, so we're just gonna head to the beach. I was really just going for a like white shirt on the beach at sunset vibe, so hopefully this will work for that. Got my big Uber backpack on, filled with our beach supplies. Wow, it's pretty busy. Kelsie and I are just at the beach now, just enjoying ourselves in the nice weather. There are a lot of people here though, so, but I feel like it's not that bad. It's a Saturday. Everyone wants to go to the beach on a Saturday, right?
It's not too bad. And people are
just socially distanced, so that's all good. I'm gonna take this off though to get like some sun. Perfect summer day.
Honestly, it is. It's like not too hot, but it's like
if it was like 35, I'd be dead right now.
Yeah, I could do it.
All right, I think I just cut my toe. I did, I cut my toe. Ow, that really hurt. I'm gonna go into the water and stop the bleeding. I just thought I'd show you guys. Being very daring. I'm bringing my entire phone into the water. It's so nice. Love it. Love the water. I feel like I'm a Pisces because I'm definitely a water baby. You know? Pisces, we just love the water. We gravitate towards it. I feel like I'm just much calmer with the water and everything going on. We are just packing up from the beach. It has been a lovely day, but Kelsie is going on a date. Bye, Kelsie.
Bye.
Love you. Have a great day. Have a fun date, babe. Hi, everyone. It's a little bit later in the evening. I just got back from the beach. Kelsie ended up going home so she can go on her little date. But I'm really hungry. We didn't end up getting pizza at the beach. I feel like just because there's a lot of people there, I kind of just like forgot, you know? So I think I'm gonna order Domino's because I have a free pizza, so why not, you know? And that'll be yummy. So yeah, I'm just gonna order something on Domino's and we'll see what they have. All right, so we're gonna do original hand tossed just regular old cheese and sauce. And then, or should I do chicken? No, I'm gonna do pepperoni. I actually like Brooklyn pepperoni more than regular pepperoni. It just tastes better to me. And then I'm gonna do feta and pineapple. Yum. Add to order. And then, do I get a drink? Let's see what they have. Okay, definitely have to get 2 roasted garlic, or actually I'll do 3. All right, I think I'm gonna FaceTime Damon. And yeah, he just got back from the cottage. He went with his parents. It was his mom's birthday. And sorry, I'm just typing in my card. And yeah, they went to the cottage, did a nice little time. He went fishing, and I'm actually pretty jealous because I've never been fishing. We played a lot of Animal Crossing during quarantine, and I just like, he caught 10 fish, and I'm just like, holy crap, like that's literally like Animal Crossing, you know? Like, that's literally what I did. I would just spend all day catching fish on Animal Crossing. All right, pizza is processing. Yay, it's on the way. All right, let's FaceTime Damon and see what he's up to. Hi, Bean. Yeah? What was your favorite part?
We went fishing. Fishing was fun.
What was your favorite part?
I caught 10 fish.
You caught 10 fish. I was just telling my vlog about that. Hey guys, it is later in the evening and my pizza has arrived, but I think I'm gonna sign off for the evening. I've just changed into my comfy clothes. This is a like really cheap sweat set from Amazon. It's the Hanes men's gray sweater and track pants, and then I just cut the pants into shorts for the summer. But I'll link that down below in case anyone wants to check it out because it is super comfy and affordable. But I just wanted to show you guys my pizza because she is stunning queen. Like, look how yummy that looks, seriously. But I am going to eat this and watch some Real Housewives. But I hope that you guys enjoyed my first vlog. It was definitely eventful. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see anything else in the content. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe so that you can see more of this type of content. And I'm gonna sign out for the evening and watch some Real Housewives. I hope that you guys had a great day. Let me know in the comments how your day was.